Hello, this is Robin Singh. This is the assignment of machining process about process plan. The detailed drawing of my product manufacturing by various machining operation. The raw material which is used is EN24 steel rod. The available dimension. The diameter is 72 mm and the length is 215 mm as shown in the diagram. And the list of process for manufacturing my product: facing, turning, step turning at A, grooving at B, taper turning at C, champering at D and E, knurling at F, drilling at G, boring at the same section G. This is the diagram which represent the dimension and the sections of my product. Mm, Step 1, facing. The operation performed is facing. The two machine tool is center lathe, cutting tool is facing tool, tool holding device is tool post, work holding device is 3 check. The process parameters are speed, feed, depth of cut, and the machining time. Machining time is 0.24 minute for facing. The description of facing. Facing is the operation of removing of metal by which the length is reduced. The feed is given perpendicular to the axis of the rotation, so that we get the correct dimension. After facing, the product will be same as the figure shown. Second step is turning. The process performance turning. The cutting tool is turning tool, and the machine tool is center lathe. Tool holding devices, tool post, hole coding devices, 3 check. Process parameter are speed, feed, depth of cut, and the machining time is 1.4 minute. The description is same as turning, but a little different. It is feed is given parallel to the axis of the rotation, by which the diameter is reduced. And the third step is step turning. Step turning is done at a particular section A, as shown in the first. The section has been marked for the understanding. At the section A, the operation performance turning. The machine tool is center lathe, and the cutting tool is turning tool. Work holding device is tool post, and the work holding device is 3 jack, and tool holding device is tool post. The process parameters are feed, speed, depth of cut, and machining time. Machining time for step turning is 2.6 minute. The description is similar as turning. The feed is given parallel to the axis of the rotation, but in a particular section the step turning is done. It 25 cross 40 as shown in the figure. The diameter is reduced from 75 mm to 25 mm. And the grooving is the process done at the section B. The machining tool is center lathe, cutting tool is grooving tool, work holding device is tool post, work holding device is 3 jack, tool holding device is tool post. The process parameter are feed, speed, depth of cut. The machining time of grooving is 0.1 minute. It is the workpiece and the grooving tool are fixed in the 3 jog universal chuck and the tool post of the center lathe. The tool is feed against the rotation. The metal removal will take place. The feed is give the direction in the perpendicular direction to the axis of the rotation. The grooving is required with is made in the internal surface as shown in the figure. It is 15 cross 15. After step turning, the grooving operation has been done by taper turning at the section C. The operation performance taper turning. The machining operation is machine tool is center lathe, cutting tool is turning tool, tool holding device is tool post, work holding device is 3 jaw check. The process parameter are feed, speed, depth of cut, machining time. Machining time is 0.9 minute. The description is similar as turning, but a little different. The tool post is tilted to some angle for taper turning. So the feed is given against the rotation, the compound rest, which in turn the rotation of the tool post. So the workpiece is taper turn is made as shown in the figure. Step 6, champering at 2 section D and E. Operation perform is chamfering tool, machine tool is center lathe, cutting tool is turning tool, work holding device is 3 jar chuck, tool holding device is tool post. Process parameters are feed, speed, depth of cut, machining time. Machining time is 3 seconds. The workpiece and the description, the workpiece and the turning tool is fixed in the 3 jar chuck, as similar as turning has been done, uh, but a little different. A feed is given at a suitable angle at the all edges, so the sharp edges become blunt. It become easy to handle after manufacturing. The sharp edge may cut our hands while manufacturing other processes. uh, After champering, the product will look like this figure. Step 7, knurling at the section F. Process knurling. uh, mm, Machine tool is center lathe, cutting tool is knurling tool, tool holding is tool post, work holding is machine wise. uh, the description is fixed as same as that uh, in lathe, and the feed is given suitable, given such that the impression of the tool get lie on the outer surface of the workpiece, so the knurling gives an a grip to handle the workpiece. After knurling has been done, at the section F, step 8 is drilling at the section G. Machine tool is radial drilling machine. Cutting tool is parallel shank twist drill, multi point cutting tool. The size is 16 mm. And the tool holding device is drill, chuck, and work holding device is vice. The process parameter are speed, feed, depth of cut. Machining time is 0.875 minute. The description of drilling: the workpiece and the twist drill of the 16 mm are fixed in the machine vise and the drill chuck of the radial drilling machine respectively. So the rotation of the twisted drill is feed against the workpiece, from which the 16 mm dia of hole is drilled at the workpiece. Step 9, boring at the section G. The boring is done to increase the diameter. The operation is boring. The machine tool is radial drilling machine. Tool on the parallel shank twist drill. Work holding device drill chuck. Tool holding device is machine wise. Process parameter are feed is speed, depth of cut. Machining time is 0.87 minute. The description is same as drilling. um, the drilling is done to increase the boring is done to increase the width from 16 mm to 24 mm. As shown, step 10 is honing. Honing is a finishing process. The machine tool is radial drill machine. Cutting tool is honing tool. Tool holding device is drill chuck, and work holding device is machine wise. The process parameter are speed, depth of cut, and the machine time is 1 minute. The honing is a finishing process where the honing tool is feed against the rotation against the internal hole, which clean the surface with smoothness and polishing. Lapping is the process of finishing process of the done in the entire surface of the workpiece. The machine tool is center lathe, cutting tool is lapping tool, work holding device is given manual, and work holding device is machine wise, tool holding is manual. The machining time is 1 minute. It is done in the external surface of the entire workpiece. This is the final product manufactured by the various machining operation. The summary of the various machining operation to produce the product, manufacturing the product. The totally 11 process. The total time required for manufacturing a single product is 7.6 minutes. Thank you.